Today I will be showing you how to put together what I'm calling a professional looking social distancing studio for only $300. Let's check it out. For those who don't know me, my name is Vincent Cano, a multi-award winning photojournalist and the owner of HD Video King Productions. Today I will be showing you how to put together a professional live streaming studio for only $300. But first, this video is dedicated to my good friend Big Money Tex, who has been putting together some great content but could use a little help on the video. So I was going through my social media and I came across this article by Timothy R. Clark, 8 Ways to Manage Your Team While Social Distancing. It's basically talking about, in this crazy times, when most people are uncertain about their jobs, it's crucial to stay connected with your team. It recommends to hold a huddle with your team at least once a day, by video if possible. And that's when I realized that most small business owners don't know much about video and can't afford a professional video production company. So I decided to create this video to help out. Okay, let's get back to our studio setup. Nowadays, most people have great cameras on their cell phones, but you need good lighting and good audio to make it look professional. Let's start with the composition of our shot. First, let's look at what we have to work with. For example, here's my living room. I'm going to have to put myself away from the wall in order to create that dimension in our shot. In this shot, you can see I put myself close to the wall and it looks flat. Next, let's frame the shot. There are several ways to frame your shot, but since you are going to be talking directly to the camera, we will frame ourselves in the center of the frame. Now, we will set up the headroom until it's just right. Like that. There you go. That looks good. Now let's focus on the lighting. The difference between good looking video and bad is simply lighting. You might think that you need a big studio with lots of lights to make it look good, but all you need is 2 lights and a little knowledge. Most professional videographers use a 3-point lighting system, but today I will be showing you how to light your studio with only 2 lights. We'll be using a key light. The key light is the strongest light in your setup, and it's the main light source for your video. This light will be placed by the camera at about a 20 to 45 degree angle. The second light we will be using is a backlight or a hair light. This light is set up behind and to the left or right of your subject and raised about 2 to 4 feet above your subject and pointing down. Here's a video with no lights. Here's my video with just a key light. As you can see, this is our main source of light, and for this video, I have it at about a 45 degree angle to create this soft shadow on the opposite side. This creates the illusion of having a thinner face. Our second light is going to be our backlight. As you can see from this video, this is creating a little halo around us, separating us from our background. And finally, here's my video with a key light and a backlight. As you can see, it looks much better. There are a lot of light options on the internet, but instead of spending hours researching what light is better for you, here's an affordable light kit that you might want to purchase. This is the newer 660 video light kit. It comes with 2 very good high quality LED lights with barn doors and stands for under $150. Next, let's talk about the audio. You need a good microphone so your viewer can clearly hear and understand what you're talking about. Here's a sample of this video without a mic. As you can see, it is not the greatest and your viewer will definitely hear the difference. And here we are back with the mic. Sounds a lot better, right? And that's all you need to have a professional looking studio. But I did promise a studio for $300. I already told you about the LED lights for under $150. Next, let's talk about the audio. For this, I recommend the COMICA Audio CVM/WS50B wireless lavalier microphone system for smartphones. It comes with a clip-on lavalier, wireless body pack transmitter and receiver, and the receiver has integrated phone holder and is just over $150. So there you go, a social distancing studio for only $300. If you happen to find this video useful and decide to buy this equipment, please use my links. I'll get a small percentage when you buy through this link. I will also leave the link to the article I was talking about earlier. Just to review, this is what your video would look like with no composition, no lighting, and no microphone. If you found this useful and want to support me, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and click on that little bell so that you can get notified as soon as I upload a video. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you next video.